Okay, let me explain how to add your comment on the voice thread. Once you start playing this voice, you can see this white circle. It shows where you're watching at. You can pause anytime and you can add your comment by clicking this comment. I recommend you to watch end of the thread and you can add your comment. Once you click this comment tab, it will show an option how to add your comment by texting, by audio, or by video. I recommend you to use this video comment. Once you click this video comment, your web camera it start working and you can record your comment. Okay, now it's your turn to try.